Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to take a 200 megapixel photo on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to the camera app and now go to the top, and we have here 3 to 4, tap on this, and now tap here where you see 3 to 4, 200 megapixels. And here I have now 200 megapixels, and let's take a photo now. I will take it here on my desktop to see. Okay, and I will go to the photo now and swipe up, and as you can see now I have here 200 megapixels. Also be careful because these photos are very large. We have here 11 megabytes and will take a lot of space on your phone. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.